Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Drive using the full 2026 setup. This is really useful if your drive is showing up in a language you don't understand, or if you simply want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and log in with your Google account. Once your Drive dashboard loads, we're ready to change the language. Now look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu, select Manage your Google account. This will open your main Google account settings in a new page. On the left side of this page, click on Personal Info. Then scroll down until you find the section called Language. You'll see your current language listed here. Next to it, click the small pencil icon to edit the language. Google will now show you a full list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language such as English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Arabic, or any other language you need. Once you select the new language, click the Select button to confirm. Google will instantly save your preference and apply this language to your account. Now go back to your Google Drive tab and refresh the page. As soon as the page reloads, your entire Drive interface will appear in the new language. This language change does not affect your files, folders, or sharing settings. It only changes the display language of Google Drive and other Google services connected to your account. If you're using Google Drive on a mobile phone, the process is slightly different. Open your device's system settings, change the system language, and the Google Drive app will automatically follow that language setting. And that's it. That's how to change the Google Drive language using the 2026 setup. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make your entire Drive experience much easier and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next